Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your mobile hotspot is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And might say that we cannot set up the mobile hotspot, turn on Wi-Fi. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search icon and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select other troubleshooters. And then you want to go and select network adapter underneath other. So just scroll down and select the run button that corresponds to that. And then follow along with the on-screen prompts here of whatever it suggests and just make sure it's configured to your specifications. And if you're still having a problem here, something else we can try, actually scroll up and then underneath most frequent, select internet connections and the run button that corresponds to that. And then you will go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts here as well. Finally, if you're still having an issue, you can go ahead and just reset your network adapter settings. That's probably what I would suggest if all else fails. And that would entail, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Left click on network and internet on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go down and where it says advanced network settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath more settings, select network reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. And this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby before you reset, because you will need to enter them back in once you restart your computer, just so that you have internet. So anyway, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes. You will be signed out within 5 minutes, so I'm going to just select close, and I'm just going to manually restart here. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.